Hey guys, it's day number 4 here on this kitchen renovation. It's going a little bit slower because I basically have to be a cabinet maker. So I've been spending a lot of time fixing these cabinets, basically breaking apart the used cabinets that we got, and then re-putting them together to fit our space here. Now, as you'll see, I got some drywall cut up to fit this over here. Like I said, they had basically a plumbing wall right here, and this was inset, so I had to frame this out. Good thing it was basically a flat 2x4 and then 3/4 inch plywood, so that worked out really nice. So I marked up here, you can't really see it, but I marked where all the studs were. I basically took a nail and I pounded through some holes to see where the studs were so I could have something to attach to, because this is all lath and plaster and it's literally crumbling right now. And I gotta get this up before it just, oh man, it's a pretty big headache. This is not recommended. And we have my dog, Carver, drop that. My dog is taking all the scraps of drywall that are on the ground in his mouth. No. All right, and then this, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this, because this is 1/2 inch out from this, but as it goes up, it's not a 1/2 inch. So they hid that gap with the cabinets that were here, but we're not gonna have cabinets here. So I gotta figure out what we're gonna do here. We're keeping these in so we can use this sink for the next week. So next weekend, we're gonna get this out of here. And I'm working on those base cabinets, sanded the uppers. So we're coming along. We'll see you soon.